A very warm good morning to all my grade 5 students. I really hope that all of you are safe and doing well at your home. Children, today our fresh and new topic is environment and the world of science. It's a very interesting topic and I hope after the completion of this module you will be able to gather lots and lots of information about environment and science. So let's proceed to discuss this topic. Children, question might have come in your mind that why humans are exploring space and what is the importance of exploring space. So you should know that without space programs we wouldn't have GPS, accurate weather prediction, solar cells, or the ultraviolet filters in sunglasses and cameras. There is also medical research happening in space right now that could cure diseases and prolong human lives, and these experiments can't be done on earth. So it's very important to explore space. Space exploration is the use of astronomy and space technology to explore outer space. While the exploration of space is carried out mainly by astronomers with telescopes, its physical exploration, though, is conducted both by unmanned robotic space machines and human space flight. Most of the space is empty, but scattered throughout are countless solid objects bound to the sun by gravity and orbiting it, mostly in the same direction, that are known as different planets. Let's discuss about scientific and medical instruments. Stethoscope. It's an instrument used by doctors to listen to your heartbeat. It typically has a small disc-shaped resonator that is placed against the skin and one or two tubes connected to earpieces, as you see in the given picture. Thermometer. It's an instrument used to measure your body temperature. A thermometer has two important elements: a temperature sensor, in which some change occurs with a change in temperature, and some means of converting this change into a numerical value. Microscope. It's an instrument used to make very small objects look large through lenses for scientific examination and study. Telescope. It's an instrument which helps in viewing and studying stars. Other medical and scientific instruments are also there. First of all, a dynamo. It's a machine used to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Endoscope. An endoscope is an instrument to inspect inside the human body. An anemometer. It's an instrument used to measure the speed of wind. Let's talk about modern computer gadgets. First of all, let's introduce silicon keyboard. The keyboards are waterproof. It's a flexible keyboard which can be folded, is spill proof and makes typing easier. Next one is Air Bar. This sensor converts any laptop into a touch screen. The Air Bar device is a sleek, thin matte black bar that magnetically attaches to the bottom of a laptop display for easy installation. Then Air Mouse. This is a laser projected mouse which makes the work faster and easier. Next one is Slide and Joy. Slide and Joy can double or triple the size of the screen by sliding ultra thin screens from the back of the laptop. Then Magic Stick. Magic Stick connected to a television along with a keyboard and mouse it converts the TV into a computer. All these modern computer gadgets are very convenient and compact. That's why we use these gadgets nowadays. Deficiency diseases. A disease caused by the deficiency of specific nutrients in the diet, especially a vitamin or mineral, is called a deficiency diseases. Let's check out the deficiency and their causes. First of all, the deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. The deficiency of calcium in the diet can lead to the decay of bones and teeth. Deficiency of vitamin K affects clotting of blood. The deficiency of iodine can lead to goiter. It's an enlargement of thyroid gland. The deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets, that is bending and softening of bones. The deficiency of vitamin E causes muscle weakness and vision problem. Curtain raisers. In this subtopic, we will come to know the pioneers in their respective fields. First of all, let's talk about Yuri Gagarin. The first person to go into outer space was Yuri Gagarin. Yuri Gagarin was a Soviet Air Force's pilot and cosmonaut. Next one is Louis Braille. Louis Braille was the inventor of a system of reading and writing for use by blind people, that is called Braille script. His system is still used by people with sight loss today. Alexander Graham Bell. He was a Scottish-born inventor, scientist and engineer who is credited with inventing and patenting the first practical telephone. He also co-founded the American Telephone and Telegraph Company in 1885. The inventor of mechanical television, an earlier version of television, is John Logie Baird. The surgeon who performed the first heart transplant on a human patient was Christian Barnard. Then the inventor of lightning rod, the iron furnace stove and the odometer was Benjamin Franklin. And the last one is the inventor of cotton gin, a machine that separates seeds, hulls and other unwanted materials from cotton after it has been picked, was Eli Whitney. I hope children that through this module you gain a lots of information regarding the topic environment and the world of science. Through this module we also understood that human space exploration helps to address fundamental questions about our place in the universe and the history of our solar system. Through revealing the challenges related to human space exploration, we expand technology, create new industries, and help to foster a peaceful connection with other nations. That's all I have in this module. In our next module, we will come up with another interesting topic. Till then, all of you stay safe. Thank you all.